Well, I'm James Cowan and we farm here with my family. We farm about 380 acres. We have 100 suckler cows, 300 breeding ewes. We're a farming connect demonstration farm, and we currently do farm trials on different things. Tonight we're doing one on ewe fertility and ram fertility, condition scoring ewes to make sure that they're in good enough condition to go back to the ram, and checking the ram fertility as well.
I'm Leslie Stubbings, I'm an independent sheep consultant and I cover most of the UK, and tonight's meeting we're going to be looking at preparation for tupping. So there are various aspects to that. I think the most important thing for people is that we're going to be telling them they need to start now. So on this farm they've got about 9 weeks to go before the rams go out, so now's the absolute ideal time for us to be talking about body condition. We'll be looking at body condition scoring ewes and how important that is, how we can go about getting that right, and also in rams as well. So later we'll do what we call a ram MOT, so we'll basically do a physical check on the rams and make sure that they're all as well as we can make out. We normally reckon that something like 30% of them are below par when you do that sort of check, so finding out now rather than the day you put them out, or even worse when they've been out and they haven't been working, is a good idea. So we'll do that. We're going to look at health status, so we'll look at things like vaccinations, abortion vaccinations, clostridial vaccinations, keeping all of that up to date. The problem with that these days is that they've got to be done several weeks before tupping, so it's all plan ahead really, which is what we want to try and give the guys a heads up on tonight. And perhaps some of the things that they don't need to do, which is spend a lot of money on unnecessary drenches and potions and things that people tell them are going to do some good, whereas actually the basics in terms of condition are what they need to get right. And then obviously the grassland specialist is going to talk about that side of things, getting the grazing right, tupping grass and through into early and mid-pregnancy.